The interface is split into two areas, the me space and the we space. Think of the me space as the space in which you engage with teams, and think of the we space as where you collaborate with others in teams. The blue bar on the left-hand side is called the app bar. You can click on these apps to access different features of Teams. The white bar that appears on the left of some apps is called the left rail. This is where you can navigate through different aspects of the app you're in. The main space to the right of the left rail is called the canvas. This is where the main engagement with Teams takes place. At the top of the canvas you have your navigation label, which shows you where you are in Teams. You also have tabs. These are where you can select the service or content you want to engage with. At the very top of Teams you have the command bar. This is where you'll find some useful tools.